Come here, Dilip. Come here, come here. Dear customer, today we are handing over 4 BHK flat with complete painting and 4 bathroom renovation, and see the grill paint and door paints. See, in this project we did a completely painting work for the Royal Emission Shine paint we did, and also all the switch plate we replaced, some lights we replaced. So you can have a look for this small brief about these projects. Go forward. Back and forth. About this kitchen, we did a fall ceiling work, complete light setup, gypsum board, and here some repairs work, and we provided for that Brugge sink mixer, and new sink we fixed, and new granite for this one, and some utility for the UPVC window, shower enclosure. This enclosure completely we installed. After that, all the doors are painted, and kitchen chimney we installed, and floor tiles we installed. This is the motion sensor automatic. Okay. This is off. This is on with light pattern. So motion sensor we installed. It's completely Eleca chimney we installed. We'll show the bathroom.
Wooden tile.
This is completely wooden strip tiles for the bathroom. We installed wooden strip tiles and door paints and completely painting work. And this is the here also we installed this wooden strip, and this mirror we installed. This design mirror we installed. This is the master bathroom. This is the master bathroom, complete setup for the vanity with PVC sheet vanity, and Jaguar commode, and HEPA faucet, and tissue holder. This is the Brugge flush tank, and we installed these lights with big mirror in the back. Big mirror and fall ceiling, big mirror, and this LED tube light. This is a pop-up type wash basin. So bigger wash basin installed in the monitor. And we did a painting here, and this is the shower we installed in the ceiling level. Here enclosure going to come within 3-4 days. We order already. And this is the foldable towel rod. And see the vanity. We used this anti-skid mat. You can keep the things. Anti-skid mat is there. And this is all force granite. Force granite is there. This is the UPVC window, open type, and with exhaust fan, water heater above the fall ceiling. So I will show one more bathroom also. And then this one is common bathroom. This is the wash station vanity. This is the purely PVC laminated. So 10, 20 years, 30 years, nothing will happen. PVC laminated. And hot and cold wash station mixer, boards, granite. We are providing this mirror, LED strip, same Gourmet setup. And this also shower in. This common bathroom also we provided rain and shower. And with UVC window. UVC window is there. Mirror. See, rain and shower, hot and cold, they are coming now, right now. We did a false ceiling and door panes. And this all quartz granite. Jogger fittings. And tissue holder. Tissue holder installed. This is the common bathroom. We go over this one. This is completely white pattern bathroom. See this one. This big mirror we installed with tabletop wash basin, PVC laminated with big vanity. So many things they can keep here. And big mirrors we provided here. Mirror tune करने का. And quartz granite is there. Quartz granite is there. Shown this one. Shown this one. See the anti-skid rubber mat we provided. They can keep anything. Harpic, bottles, cleaning items. And this side. Gourmet flush tank, Jaguar commode, and Elsa faucet, and the tissue holder is here, and towel holder.
Exhaust fan.
Here also EPVC window with exhaust fan. And here same we provided here. This is ceiling level for the shower dance, shower rain dance. Hot and cold we are getting very nicely with pressure, good pressure is there. It's a very big bathroom. We brought good design and good tiles, white tiles completely, floor and walls. And one more bathroom we will show you. Also this bedroom we painted very nicely. This grill we installed. Grill we installed and painted. And this all oil paints. And completely we done a painting work. This house we spoken 50 days, but within 40 days we hand over in today. Today is August 21st. Today they brought the stuff. They kept here for the package. One more bathroom is here. This is the guest bathroom. Same pattern we did completely. This is the Jaguar. This is a rain and shower. And towel rod we provided. Towel rod we provided here. And Elsa faucet and same Jaguar setup. Back tissue holder. Here bigger mirror with LED strip backside and LED lights with wash station. This is the one PVC laminated. 20 years nothing will happen if you pour the water also. So mat we provided. No. The UPVC window we provided. They can easily close and fan with built-in UPVC window. This is the complete pattern. Thank you for watching DNR execution work in Sandeep Ceramic, Sandeep Vihar apartment in Whitefield, Seagalli. Thank you.